Hello you guys, how are you? It's your girl Shantae here, and today we are going over what software do I use for all of my copywriting needs. How do I get my descriptions done so fast by the click of one button, and most of the time it's for free. So I use this website called copy.ai, and I'm going to tell you all about it. It's one of my secret weapons. I use multiple softwares for different companies to make my life easier, and I want for it to make your life easier too. So I figured I would share some of my gems there. Now, before I go right into it, do me a favor to support me. Smash that like button if you're catching the live or the replay. I really like seeing your support. If you're catching this live, do me a favor. As always, drop a 1 in the comments. And if you're catching the replay, go ahead and drop that number 2 for me. And we are going to jump right in. So the first thing is, how does copy.ai work, right? And so basically it is a software if software sounds too fancy, a website, right? And basically what happens is you put in your keywords or your descriptions. You can literally put in like 3 words and it will give you, I kid you not, 2 or 3 paragraphs. It's bloody amazing. So I don't know about you, but when I was younger, I used to, I didn't have a problem writing in my diary or doodling or anything like that, but I did have challenges when it came to keeping an organized fashion with my writing and giving my teacher only what she asked for. I would always give 10 times more, right? And so as I got older, of course, I would study advertisements, I would study public speaking, I would really dive into that. And so yes, I am better at writing ad copy now, but I'm still not a professional at it. And so when you have an AI software that's willing to do that for you, especially when it's priced also like in the price range for like a new company, someone that maybe they're the only person in their team kind of thing, it's reachable. It's accessible to you. So I just wanted to make sure that I share it and stuff. But basically it's a software that it's your copywriter for you. So when you see an advertisement, you're like, oh my God, who wrote that? Yes, a real person could have wrote it, but they could have also used this exact software as well. And so I want to give you that same leg up that a professional might have, because why not you? Another thing is it can create the actual content for you, right? So like, let's say you're trying to write a blog and you saw my workshop that basically was centered around blogs that I did in the beginning of the year. And you're like, I don't know how to do that. You could go into copy.ai, literally put in 2 or 3 keywords. It gives you the topic title, and then it can actually give you the bullet points for your entire blog for you to just fill in the blanks. If you want for it to fill in the blanks for you, you would then take those bullet points, click on product description, put that line in and see what it gives you. It wouldn't hurt. But I told you guys and stuff there, I always keep my list beside me so I stay on track for you. My favorite part about it is you can actually pick the tone out for your writing. So most of the time, especially if I'm struggling, I'm blank screen staring at the computer all day long, I know someone watching knows exactly how I feel. I'll get a headache. I can't think no more. I'm tired of writing notes and stuff there. I just need something to help. And my VAs are amazing. My team is really, really helpful, but just to have that little extra help does go a long way. So usually I pick the tone that is, you'll see a list of them there. And so I choose empathetic, and I like the one that says friendly as well. I feel like those are the closest to my natural voice. And that's what you want to choose. You want to choose the tone for your writing that is best for you. Just click of a button. I believe they have, the options are friendly, bold, luxury, empathetic, and it's another one on there, you guys, but you'll also see it when you get up there because I provided a link in the caption so that you can see it for free anyway. So go ahead and check that out. But the next one is, why would you even need a copywriting software, right? So basically, it would save you time and energy, and it would improve the quality of your writing. Yes, even if you are an amazing writer already, it doesn't hurt to just try to see if it has some better, maybe even concepts for you. Because you could have been writing one way. You could literally just type in what you have to say so far, and then see if they have some great suggestions for you to even add to what you already have. It wouldn't hurt and stuff there. And then if you like what you already have better, then just do that. But at least you have options. That's the important part. So totally check that out. If you suffer from writer's block sometimes, like me, then I think that this would be really helpful for you too. Just because, like I said before, you put in 3 keywords. Let's say it's Black Friday, and you're just putting in, you decide to do a 65% off discount. Do credit repair, 65% off discount for today only, or up until the 28th only. Limited time only, or whatever, and you would put in the words that you do have, and then all of a sudden you click one button and it says make copy, and then it creates 8 different versions of what you have, and it makes life a little bit easier for you. Sometimes it'll even put the emojis in there for you. Isn't that sweet? So the only ones that I use though, because when you get up there and when you log into copy.ai, you're going to see a whole bunch of options. And it can be rather intimidating if you're not used to seeing it. Because I remember my first time seeing it years and years ago. I was excited that I found it, but I was like, what the heck is this? Like, what am I going to do with it? You know? And then I clicked out of that tab and it was gone. And I didn't think about it until 4 businesses later. And I'm like, thank God I came back. I use product description the most. And I use, there's another one, you guys, I'm trying to remember. I think it's the one that says ad copy. It's going to say ad copy or sales copy. You'll totally see it though, I promise. And so I click on those, and then it'll ask me what's my website and what's the title, or what kind of copy am I trying to do. I always click on skip, and then it'll ask you what the title is. That's an optional area. And then underneath that, you just put in your keywords, pick your tone, click enter, or click on make copy. That's it. And you just choose the one that you want. I think it gives you free credits each month too. So it's like, sorry you guys, my baby stretched his foot. So it'll give you like 90 or 50 credits or something like that each month to work with. So definitely check that out. I'm pretty sure I still use like their free account and stuff too. But a lot of my friends also have the paid versions as well. I usually only share this with my accountability partners and sisters and stuff, but I figured why not share it with my group cousins too. I'm sure you guys can use it as well. So yeah. But next one is, who should use this? So basically, if you are a business owner, a blogger, a marketer, anyone who values quality content that's trying to save time and energy, this is who it will work for. If you are trying to edit blog, if you make a social media post every day, it can also help you with that too. A lot of times, especially, I don't know if you guys use social media as much as I do, but it can be nerve-wracking trying to think of something every single day that's going to convert, that's going to connect with someone, that's going to make your audience love you. And this could be something that, even if it doesn't give you exactly what you want to hear, it literally has a button that says brainstorming, you guys, and you can totally just click on that and just brainstorm out with this little website here, this little session, write it in your notebook to just kind of get the juices flowing, you know. But I hope that part helps as well. Just checking my notes here. But yeah, no, I think I kind of told you guys all about that part. But one thing about it is that if you do have a smaller team, right, as long as you have the correct standard operating procedures in place, because organization is everything, And if you need something or someone to help you a little bit more, this can make you feel like you have a team of 10 people behind you, because this kind of takes the place or can further assist your sales manager, like your content creator. If someone's scheduling your post for you, or if you schedule your post. I know that I schedule my post out, or at least I try to, 60 days in advance. At least 2 posts a day and stuff there for multiple groups and stuff there of my own and stuff. So I definitely rely heavily on, like, you know, making sure that those captions are good, making sure it's actual quality content going out, because you never want to just post anything, because then people are not really going to look at what you're saying, right? So the price is free for the free trial. I think the free trial is for like 7 days. Like I said, though, I use a free account. My friends use a paid account because they want more of the beta options and they want to use everything that they have to offer. I think that's awesome too. I think if you do their paid account, it's like $34 right now a month or something, but check it out for free first. I would never want for you to invest something in your company that you haven't tried out first. Not only have I used them for years, but then last year, I think at the end of last year, I actually partnered with them as well too. So I love them in all aspects. Feel free to use my link and stuff there to support me, and I really appreciate you guys. So before we recap there, you guys, I did make a list of a few of the things that they offer as well, like just like a clear cut. So for digital ad copy, they have Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn ads options. For social media content, they have Instagram captions, posts, and hashtags, and content ideas. For website copy, they have e-commerce copy, blog content, sales copy. And then, like I said, there's a link in the caption there that you guys are welcome to try it out for free. Now, this does not take the place of hiring an actual human being or professional, right? Nothing is going to take the place of someone that's been doing it for like over 10 years, because that's what they do. But until you get to the point where you can hire that person, I feel like you still deserve quality content, quality assistance, and I know that everybody can use this. If I can do it, then you can do it. I just wanted to show my support for you guys. I appreciate those that are up and awake with me. Thank you so much. Please feel free to leave comments down below. Once again, we just went over how to go over your copywriting and copy.ai, what it is, how much it costs, who's it for, how to do your descriptions, all of the above, and how to use it. I really appreciate you guys for joining me once again. For those who do not know, my name is Shantae Holiday. Super nice to meet you, and I will totally see you guys next time, and have a great day. Bye, guys.